Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Travis with Granite City Cell Phone Repair. I'm in the great metropolis of Mount Airy this afternoon, headed to what is undoubtedly my most common repair, and that's an iPhone 11 screen replacement. So without further ado, let's dig in. And folks, make sure to watch until the end of the video where I will be introducing my new employee. So here's the iPhone 11. Of course, you can see the screen is cracked, all kinds of LCD damage. We're not able to get into the phone to do any kind of testing other than just verify that it charges, it vibrates, and the customer says that it still rings and notifications are coming through. So that's a great sign that once we put a new screen on there, this phone is going to be good to go. All right, here's my new employee. It's Benny Bones. He gets a lot of attention as we're driving down the road. People think to look on this side for a driver. They see a skeleton, they freak out, they love it, they scream, they laugh, they cry. All right, another successful repair in the books. Another happy customer. Man, it just never gets old. Thanks for watching the video today. Hope you enjoyed it. And old Benny says, if you liked it that much, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. It won't kill you. Until next time, y'all take care.